Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you the best bathroom faucet single-handle chrome, the BELZ Chrome Bathroom Faucet. If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom with a sleek, modern, and functional centerpiece, then stick around. Because in the next 5 minutes, we're going to show you why the BELZ faucet might just be the perfect choice for your home. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk design. The BELZ Chrome Bathroom Faucet has a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Its high-shine chrome finish gives it a timeless and elegant look that fits effortlessly into any modern or transitional bathroom decor. The body is crafted from premium materials that not only look fantastic but are built to last, resisting corrosion and tarnishing over time. This is a single-handle faucet, which means you control both the water temperature and flow with one lever. It's intuitive, smooth to operate, and adds to the faucet's overall minimalist appeal. Whether you're brushing your teeth or washing your hands, the experience feels seamless. But where the BELZ faucet really stands out is in its installation versatility. It comes with a matching deck plate and a pop-up drain included in the box, and that's not something you always get with other faucets. The deck plate allows this faucet to fit both single-hole and three-hole configurations. So whether you're replacing an older setup or installing in a brand new vanity, you're covered without needing to buy extra parts. Now let's talk about the internal build quality. The faucet includes a high-quality ceramic disc cartridge. This ensures a leak-free operation and long-term durability. It's been tested to withstand over 500,000 open and close cycles. Translation? You're getting a faucet you can rely on for years to come without annoying drips or performance issues. The spout is designed with a generous arc, providing ample clearance between the water flow and the sink basin. That extra height makes it easier to wash up or rinse, especially in smaller vanities. Plus, the water stream is aerated, which means it's smooth, quiet, and splash-free, ideal for everyday use. In terms of installation, it's DIY friendly. The kit includes everything you need to set it up: mounting hardware, the deck plate, and the pop-up drain. If you've done any light plumbing before, you'll find this install process straightforward. Even if it's your first time, a quick read of the manual and a wrench is pretty much all you need. Let's not forget the added value. The faucet ships with a matching pop-up drain assembly. This is a huge plus because many manufacturers make you purchase this separately. It's also finished in chrome to match the faucet and integrates seamlessly with the design. Maintenance is also a breeze. Thanks to its fingerprint and water spot resistant finish, a quick wipe with a cloth is enough to keep it looking spotless. That means more time enjoying your bathroom and less time cleaning it. If you're remodeling a bathroom and want something stylish, solidly built, and compatible with most sink configurations, this is a great choice. It brings a professional, polished look to your vanity without the luxury price tag. Plus, the durability means you won't be calling a plumber again anytime soon. And with its universal chrome finish, it pairs well with nearly any hardware, so you won't feel locked into a specific aesthetic. Alright, let's wrap it up. The BELZ Chrome Bathroom Faucet is more than just a pretty face. It offers reliable performance, easy installation, thoughtful design, and great value with included accessories. Whether you're a DIYer or just someone looking to improve their bathroom without the fuss, this faucet delivers on all fronts. If you're interested, you can check it out in the link below this video. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we dive into the details so you don't have to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell if you want more honest and in-depth reviews. See you next time.